Hey y'all, it's Fly Away with Monet. Got my girl Bree with me and another flight attendant getting up Uber. Just got to San Antonio, Texas, and we're gonna be walking the strip. Okay, we're gonna be going to the Alamo and then maybe go get something to eat. So I want to bring you guys along with me to show you guys what's gonna be going on. So stay tuned. Such a beautiful day. No, seriously though, y'all, like, this is what I live for as a flight attendant. Like, I look forward to walking with my new friends. She's so cute, and exploring different places because that's what life is all about. Plus, I like going to the landmarks. And oh, they got snow cones over there. Shut up. My new friends, y'all say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Yes, out in San Antonio. Y'all, it's hot out here. I'm still cute though. Be awesome. This is gonna be awesome. All right, y'all. We gotta get it. We gotta get in some shade now. We gotta get some shade. Gotta find some shade up in her. So I'm gonna do like a little outside tour of the Alamo. It's really cool, guys. I'm having a lot of fun. I got a good crew member. She's so fun and awesome. So let's go on with the tour. A little bit inside of the Alamo, the outside part. It has a lot of history in this town, guys. I'm loving it. I haven't been to the Alamo literally since I was like in the 6th grade, so for me to come back and be able to explore this is like it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. Literally walking the strip, like I said, San Antonio is such a beautiful, gorgeous place. Hopefully I get some food in my belly so I don't pass out. I don't want these girls to carry me to my room. So other than that, having so much fun. So much fun. Going down the Riverwalk, going to get some queso with my girl. Yes, behind me is the infamous Riverwalk. Your girl is out here. Seriously, like, it's so fun, but it's so hot. But that's Texas. This naked iguana is hitting. I'm telling you, it's popping up in here, y'all. It's popping. It's wobbling with you around me. I swear that everything will be just fine. Y'all, literally, so silly. Baby, I don't mind. Grown man in my suit. To the EJ. And I have a year and a half on her. But still, I was like, just met a new friend at the Naked Iguana. Got my girl, Bree, and got my other girl, Miss Honey. Say what's up, honey. Say what's up. Okay, yes. Just got done eating some chips and queso with my girls. What? Out here by the Riverwalk, y'all. It is freaking crazy packed. Like, it's crazy packed. So beautiful. So beautiful. I'm enjoying my walk down the river, y'all. This is like litty. I feel all special because I'm by the duckies. No, really though. This is cool. Like I've been saying. But I'm having so much fun, y'all. Like literally when I got to San Antonio, I was not expecting none of this. Into the wine and cigar shop, y'all. Ballerific. Nah, I ain't buying nothing, I'm broke. But look at all this wine. Look at all this. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Like, oh, and then the cigars. Let's not even get started. San Antonio, what's up? Good morning, lovelies. Hello, beautiful world. Good morning. Today we are doing one trip to Mexico. Y'all, I'm still asleep, so just like bear with me. But I sound a little stuffy. I don't know where this came from, y'all. Like literally I've been like, last night I could not breathe and I was just like, but all day you was breathing though. Like I say, we do have one trip today, San Antonio bound right now, but after San Antonio we go back to Houston, and then from Houston to El Lejon. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me, of course, as I always do, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, y'all? Just came back from San Antonio, so now I'm getting ready for my next trip to Mexico. I was telling you guys that earlier today when I was in San Antonio, so now I'm getting ready to go to Mexico. That's what us flight attendants do.
Two hours later.
So right now I'm just preparing my galley. Oh, I just got my ice going here, and I'm getting ready for my hour-and-a-half flight. So I'll see you guys when I get to Mexico. Hey y'all, just got to Leon, Mexico, and now we're gonna go out and eat some tacos. As you already know, your girl gotta get her authentic guacamole and chips, and what better place to do it than Mexico, right? I'm having a good time. I'm having a very great crew. Like, that's one thing that I can say about being a flight attendant, is that you always want to at least have a good crew, or at least just one crew member, so you can have a good trip, because the crew really makes a difference on your trip. So out here having fun, y'all. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing after this. It's still early. Like, it's only 1:30 Mexico time. So I will keep you all posted, lovelies. Seriously though.
Ese amor apasionado anda todo alborotado por volver. Voy camino a la locura, aunque todo me tortura de perder.
Oh!
Nos dejamos hace tiempo, pero me llegó el momento por volver. Y volver, volver, volver a tus brazos otra vez. Llegaré hasta donde esté, yo sé perder, yo sé perder. Quiero volver, volver, volver.
I'm just literally, y'all, about to get dressed. Not dressed. I'm just about to get in my comfy clothes, and I've been up since 4:45 this morning, so I'm most probably just gonna lay in my big comfy bed back there with all my stuff on it, and relax. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget, you guys are my babies. You guys are my family. So anything you want me to talk about, anything you feel that you want to know, DM, comment, whatever. Let me know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning. So today is oh my god, y'all, like, it is bright and early. Okay, it is 5:07 in the morning. But today I will be going back to base. Only have one trip today from Leon to Houston. So I'm gonna go straight back to base and see what else I can get into today. So of course I'm gonna bring you guys along. So I'll see you guys in Houston. Hey guys, so guess where I'm at? Houston. Just got back to Houston and they didn't have a trip for me. They didn't have any trips for me, y'all. I was a little disappointed, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, oh my god, I had so much fun and I'm so happy that I was able to show you guys and bring you all along with me, because that right there was it was seriously a blessing. And it was so much fun. But I'm back in Houston, y'all, and I wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for watching and experiencing these beautiful moments with me, because I'm literally creating so many milestones and you guys are just being a part of it. My new subbies, the people that's rocking with me, thank you so much. You guys are my babies. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. Follow me. I'm cool. Just kidding. We're gonna edit that out. You know, support your girl. Anyway, thanks you guys. I love y'all so much and I'll see you guys later.